Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this new fan industrial. This motor is cast iron, very heavy. I actually got some, I think, Jeffrey Doctor, so I do appreciate this. The motor says it's a 56 inch. The blade span, it measures only about 52 inch, so it's a little short. That might be because of the angle, but the angle is what came on these fans, so it's kind of strange. Made in Hong Kong, file number. There's the new fan label and the bill canopy. Let's go ahead and go down. Put this fan on low with the Dayton 3 amp variable speed control. Low speed you're drawing 0.3. Nice aesthetic low speed on this fan. Let's go ahead and turn it about medium-ish. We're drawing 0.7 now. Oh, that might drop a little bit, 0.69. It's relatively quiet on solid state, which is unusual. Nice. Let's go ahead and go to high. High speed is drawing just barely over an amp. It's 1.03. Very strong. Definitely a very good air mover. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin. This is the first fan to be tested in the garage after since I've cleaned up the garage and reorganized everything. Neat fan. Definitely powerful, definitely moves a good amount of air. One of the more unusual fans due to the blade pitch and how they are, but I like it. I usually don't keep new fans, but I'm going to keep this one. This is actually one I've been looking for, is the industrial version, because I know the industrials are usually good. I always find a bunch of the wood blade ones. Actually, I have two on the shelf right here. Well, once this gets done swing down, I'll show you. There you go. There's the two new fans I have that wood blades, and those are junk, and all this over here is junk stuff I have to get rid of. So yeah, area's cleaned up. It's a lot better. So there you go. Thanks for watching.